Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if your account is on hold for temporarily, or you have got a temporarily disable or ban on your account, Amazon account, then this video is for you. You have to do is you have to log into your Amazon account, and if it's not logging in, then you can do is you can go to the Amazon website and simply click on this whole drop down button here, hover over it. Now from here you have to simply let me show you. You have to simply go to the account. Here it is. Now from this account center you can find this customer service. Simply click on customer service, and from here you can choose this one, login address and security privacy. So simply click on it, and from here that says email receipt, or you can simply add anything like a login or anything like data and privacy, or you can do is you can go back and you can select a type like this other. Here it is. You can go with the other, also something else that is gives ratio. I need more help here. Simply click on it, and you can find this chat with us and request a phone call. You can request a phone call from here, and it is available now. You can find the status, or you can start a chatting in live chat with Amazon representative, just like this. So connect to the associate. To an associate you have to simply click on it, and you have to connect to an associate with your phone number so you can get in touch. So it will look like this, or otherwise you can do is if you get a hold on temporarily, then you can do is you have to enter your full name. It is for on the order. If you have entered any billing address, and if it's the Amazon find this suspicious, then you have to confirm it by your full name, your country and region, your billing address that your credit card or debit card have, then your phone number. Then you have to add a document like billing statement or the gift card proof of purchase. Then after added this, you can get verified yourself, or otherwise you can get this type of interface where it will ask for adding the password. So you have to add the password. Sometimes it asks for the verification, so you have to continue the verification, and you can verify yourself with the address verification or billing address or the analytic or the password. Then after confirming the verification verify yourself, you can get your account back. So that's how you can just simply do it, and hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.